In this section, we will explore the time boxing technique, a powerful method for effective time management. Let's dive in. The time boxing technique involves allocating a fixed maximum unit of time for each activity in advance and then completing the activity within that time frame. This method is highly effective for enhancing productivity, maintaining focus, and ensuring works do not expand indefinitely. The key components of time boxing method are as follows. Firstly, define the works with clarity. Clearly define the tasks or activities that we need to accomplish. This ensures we know exactly what we are committing our time to. The question comes how to define the tasks. Write down all the works that we need to complete. Divide complex works into smaller, more manageable subtasks. Set time boxing by allocating a specific limited amount of time for each work. This helps us prevent tasks from taking longer than the necessary. How to set time boxes? Estimate duration. Based on our understanding of each task, estimate how much time it should reasonably take. Be realistic. Set a time limit that is challenging yet achievable. Avoid overly generous or overly tight time constraints. Use a calendar or timer. Schedule our time boxes in a calendar or use a timer to keep track of the allotted time. Work within the time box. Focus on completing the tasks within the designated time frame without distractions or interruptions. How to work within the time box? Start the timer and begin working on the task when specific time box starts. Stay focused. Avoid multitasking and minimize distractions. Concentrate solely on the task at hand. Maintain the pace. Work steadily and efficiently to complete the task within the time box. There are several benefits of the time boxing method, such as enhanced focus. By dedicating a specific time period to a task, we can concentrate more on that task without getting distracted. Improve productivity. Time boxing encourages efficiency by creating a sense of urgency to complete works within the allotted time. Better time management. This technique helps us allocate time more efficiently, ensuring that all works receive the attention what they need. Reduce procrastination. Setting a clear time limit for the tasks can help us overcome procrastination by making work seem more manageable and less daunting. Work-life balance. By controlling the time spent on tasks, we can better manage our work and personal life, preventing burnout and ensuring we have time for other activities. Let's take one example for a research scholar or student and applying the time boxing technique. Let's consider a research scholar managing multiple responsibilities such as writing a literature review, conducting experiments, attending meetings, and completing coursework. Firstly, define all the tasks such as writing a literature review, conducting experiments, attending meetings, and completing coursework. Set time boxes. For literature review, allocate 2 hours every morning from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. For experiments, allocate 3 hours every afternoon from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. For meetings, allocate 1 hour from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. For coursework, allocate 2 hours every evening from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. By using the time boxing technique, we can effectively manage our time, focus on priorities, and achieve a healthy balance between work and personal life.